Bonjour. Our today's topic is jouer à or jouer de. What is jouer? Jouer is a simple er ending verb which means to play. In English, as in English, we say I play guitar, and we also say I play cricket. So, for the musical instrument as well as for the sports, for both the context, we are using the same verb, that is jouer. Similarly, in French also, for the musical instruments as well as for sports, we use the same er ending verb, that is jouer. But how do we differentiate? A slight addition of preposition changes the context, changes the meaning. How? That is what we are going to see just now. Before we start, let us look at the conjugation of the jouer verb. Jouer is conjugated same as the er ending verb, that is je joue, I play or I am playing. Tu joues, you play, you are playing. Elle, on joue, one plays, he plays, she plays, or he, she is playing. Nous jouons, we play, we are playing. Vous jouez, you play, you are playing. Elle joue, they play, they are playing. Remember not to pronounce the ending ent in the ILS and ELLS conjugation. That is, in the third person plural, we never pronounce the ending ent. We pronounce it similar as the je, that is il joue, not il joue. Then let us see how does the context changes by the addition of different prepositions. The two prepositions are, which means to the or at the, and the preposition the, which means of the or from the, changes the meaning. When we add jouer à, it is used to refer to sports, matches or games. That is, if I say je joue au foot, that is when I have to refer to a cricket, when I have to refer to cricket or a sports match, I will use jouer à. That is, I will say je joue au foot. Foot is masculine, therefore I am saying joue au. Then je joue aux cartes. Carte is plural, therefore I am saying joue au. Then when I refer to a musical instrument, I use jouer de. That is, I say il joue du piano. Piano is masculine, therefore I have used du. Elle joue de la guitare. Guitar is feminine, so I have used de la. Then further reference that how do the prepositions vary according to the number and gender. I have written the four forms of preposition a and the. That is, let us look at that. A plus the definite article le changes into au, which is used for masculine singular. Then a plus la, which is ala, feminine singular. Then a plus definite article le, which changes into aux, o, used for plural. N'importe quel plural, no matter any plural. Then a plus le, L apostrophe. That is a L apostrophe, which is used for vowels. Then similarly the preposition the and its four forms, that is the plus le changes into du, same as masculine singular. The plus la changes into dala, feminine singular. The plus le changes into they, plural, any plural, masculine plural, feminine plural, any plural. Then the plus le, L apostrophe, that is for vowels, the L apostrophe for vowels. I hope the lesson is clear. Now let us move to the exercises. Pause the video for 2 seconds, look at the questions, try to solve, and then we look at the answers. The first sentence, first question says, Mari dash guitar. Guitar, we are talking about a musical instrument, so we'll use the preposition the, that is Mari joue de la guitare. Guitar is feminine, so de la guitare. Second one, est-ce que tu dash football le weekend? Est-ce que tu dash football le weekend? Football is a sports. Then we will use a, jouer plus a, and football is masculine, so joue au. Est-ce que tu joues au football le weekend? Do you play football this weekend? Do you play football on weekend? Then nous dash piano depuis 5 ans. Piano is a musical instrument, so we'll use article preposition the, and it is masculine, so jouer du. That is nous jouons du piano depuis 5 ans. We play piano since 5 years. Then next one. Il aime dash carte en famille. What is carte? Carte is a sports. Carte is a game. So we'll use preposition a, and carte is plural, therefore o. Jouer au. That is, il aime jouer aux cartes en famille. Now someone can ask here that why didn't you conjugate jouer here? We didn't conjugate jouer here because the first verb, that is aimer, is itself in the conjugated form. Therefore, the next verb which will come will not be conjugated and taken in its infinitive form. That is, ils aiment jouer aux cartes en famille. They like to play cards in family. They like to play cards in family. Then, next. Mon frère dash violon et moi je dash basket. Violon is musical instrument, so we'll use the, and it is masculine, so mon frère joue du violon, du conjugated joue, and basket is a sport, so jouer plus a, masculine, so joue au. Next, est-ce que vous dash tennis après l'école? Est-ce que vous dash tennis après l'école? Then tennis is a sports, so we'll use a preposition a, and it is masculine, so jouer au. That is, est-ce que vous jouez au tennis après l'école? Do you play tennis after the school? Next, je ne sais pas jouer dash batterie. Batterie is again a musical instrument, so we say je ne sais pas jouer de la batterie, feminine, hence we use de la. And here also we have not conjugated jouer because this verb savoir, it's itself, the first verb is itself conjugated, that is say, je ne sais pas, and therefore the next verb jouer in infinitive, that is, je ne sais pas jouer de la batterie. Next, les enfants dash je video tous les soirs. Again, video games, that is sports, so we will use jouer plus a, and it is plural, so joue au. That is, les enfants jouent au jeu de vidéo tous les soirs. The children play video games every evening. Next, vous dash échec avec vos amis. Échec means chess, which is a game, therefore jouer plus a, and it is plural, so vous jouez au. That is, vous jouez au échec avec vos amis. You play chess with your friends. Then next, tu dash au rugby avec ton équipe. That is, tu dash rugby avec ton équipe. It's again a sports, so we will use jouer plus a, and rugby is it is masculine, so we will use tu joues au rugby avec ton équipe. Équipe is team, that is, you play rugby with your team. Then next one, mon cousin dash du saxophone. Again, saxophone is a musical instrument, so we are using the preposition the with je, and it is masculine, e ending, still it is masculine, therefore mon cousin joue du saxophone. My cousin plays saxophone. Then, on dash volleyball la dimanche matin. We play volleyball on Sunday morning. Volleyball again as sports, so jouer plus a, and volleyball is masculine, so joue au. On joue au volleyball le dimanche matin. We play volleyball the Sunday morning. Next, je ne joue pas dash la trompette. Je ne joue pas dash la trompette. Trompette is again a musical instrument, trumpet. So we are using the la trompette, feminine. So the la, je ne joue pas de la trompette. I do not play the trumpet. Last one. Est-ce que vous dash basket ou au handball? That is, Do you play basket or handball? So basket is again basket and handball both are sports, therefore O and both are masculine, so jouer o. Est-ce que vous jouez au basket ou en ball? That is, do you play basketball or handball? So this was the lesson on the verb jouer, which changes when added when followed by different prepositions, that is a and the, that is